What's up, YouTube? We are out today on ride number 3 of this channel, 3 of the moto vlog. Basically, I've readjusted where the purple Panda mic sits. It's not just in its fucking little pube socket anymore. I put it in the original sleeve and the windsock. So we're seeing how that sounds. And I put it behind the cheek pad. I saw from some other YouTube channel, he was having good luck putting it behind the cheek pad instead of actually in front of the mouth. So we are seeing how that does. Something happened on my last upload. I basically, I put the footage, so I'm filming on a GoPro Hero 10 Black. I put the footage in the Quick app GoPro editing studio software, which is actually really convenient now. They've updated it, it works good. And through that, I, did some minor editing, whatever, uploaded it to my phone in full 4K, top bitrate, top sound quality, whatever. In the photo apps of my iPhone 14 Pro, sounded great. I posted a snippet on my Instagram, sounded fun. And then once I uploaded it to YouTube, YouTube did something with the audio where it just completely trashed it and made it sound, I don't know, like raspy and staticky and all sorts of fucked up shit. So we're giving it another go. We got a slightly different setup going on here. Oh my god, I got something in my eye. Basically gonna see how this goes today and hope that it kind of clears up some shit. And of course, we can't be riding with the traction control on or the ABS, because both of those combined will make you mousetrap. They cut your power once you get up to 12 and slam your shit down. Pro tip for all 701 riders: if you're doing wheelies, both those got to be off, not just the traction. It gets unhappy. Much better. Well, we should be meeting up with my buddy Morgan on his Hyper. Shout out. I don't think you have a YouTube, but you're gonna watch my video and shout out Morgan. Gonna go for a little cruise. Okay, weather today is actually A1. Alright, we are back on the bikes. We got Morgan on his 23 Hyper SP. We'll go for a little cruise. What the fuck is going on here? Hey, ground buddy. Hey. That's sketchy. has a straight up like shank in the road. What the fuck? People, nobody pays attention. They're like, cars are going, fuck it, we'll go.